National Geographic presents One World, One Day by Barbara Curley. One World, One Day. One World, One Day by Barbara Curley. At dawn, as the sun slips over the horizon, kids around the world get up, wash up, and celebrate a new day. Porridge, pancakes, churros, toast, hot sweet tea with plenty of milk. Lots of things taste good for breakfast. Time for school. Don't be late. The trip can be a short walk or a real adventure, but by bus, by bike, on foot, on time, kids come ready to learn. Reading, writing, music, math, science projects, arts and crafts. Recess rocks, and so does lunch. A little more learning, then kids stand up, clean up, and head for home. Any way they can. School is over, but the day is hardly done. Kids work. Kids play with bats and balls and hoops and slides. They do homework, chores, or nothing at all, pondering life's big questions like, what's for dinner? Veggies, pasta, chicken, rice, big round pizzas with plenty of cheese. Lots of things taste good for dinner. The sun is setting. It's getting dark. Families gather on the porch by the fire. Family time, quiet time. Time to brush teeth, time for one more story. Kiss goodnight, lights out. Around the world, kids dream of tomorrow and all the possibilities of just one day.